Today I've got something unusual on the bench. Just a bare motherboard from a PS3 Slim. No shell, no hard drive, no fan, nothing. The seller said it doesn't show any video, neither through HDMI nor through audio-video channel. So let's see what's going on here. First thing I noticed, someone had already tried to fix it. The HDMI encoder chip was replaced, but not very cleanly. Some pins were breached, and the chip was literally sitting crooked. That's never a good sign. I decided to remove it completely and check if the board could still output video through the RCA port. Normally, the PS3 should fall back to analog when HDMI is missing. So I hook it up to my custom power supply. Now I will connect the PS3 RCA cable and turn it on. Power came up fine, but still no image, not even a flicker. That's when I started suspecting the RSX, the graphics chip. Just out of curiosity, I pressed the RSX gently with my hand, while it was powered. And suddenly the video appeared. That confirmed it. Bad contact under the RSX. Classic BGA problem. So I decided to reflow the RSX properly on my homemade BGA station. Not fancy, but it gets the job done. After the reflow, I reinstalled the HDMI chip, made sure all pins were clean, and added temporary heatsinks for a test run. And there it was! Perfect HDMI video output. The board came back to life. So yeah, the PS3 Slim JTP001 wasn't ready to die yet. It just needed a proper touch under the RSX and a bit of the DebugBench magic. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. There's more PS3 Resurrection content coming soon.